terminating or non-terminating repeating kind of decimal. 16 by 125. Whenever we are finding whether the given fraction or else the rational number has terminating kind of decimal or else non-terminating decimal, there is no need to worry about the numerator. So write the numerator as it is, divided by denominator, write the prime factorization of the denominator. So 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So if the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then we can say that it has terminating decimal, otherwise non-terminating decimal. So what does it mean having 2 power n into 5 power m? Nothing but after writing the denominator in the prime factorization form, we need to have only number 2 or else only number 5 or else both 2 and 5, whatever it may be the power. If the denominator is in these forms, then we can say that it has terminating decimal. Now, if we observe our answer, 5 into 5 into 5, the denominator part, here we have only 5, right? So, it will be having a terminating decimal. Three by 8. Numerator as it is by 8 can also be written as 2 into 2 into 2 or simply 2 power 3. If we observe the denominator, we have only 2's or else only 5's or else both 2 and 5. Then only it will be having terminating decimal. So here we have only 2. So it has terminating decimal. 25 divided by 32. Numerator as it is divided by 32 can also be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now if we observe this denominator, in the denominator we have only 2's. So it will be having terminating decimal. 100 divided by 81. Numerator 100 as it is divided by 81 can also be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now, in the denominator, as we said earlier, we need to have only number 2 or else number 5 or both 2 and 5. But here, besides that 2 and 5, there is something else. So that's why it will be having non-terminating repeating kind of decimal. Let us take one more. 9 divided by 75, which is equals to numerator as it is divided by 75 can also be written as 25 threes are, which is equals to numerator as it is by 25 can be written as 5 fives are into 3. Now, till now as we are saying that we need to observe only the denominator. So in the denominator if we have only 2 and 5, then we can say that it has terminating decimal. Otherwise, besides 2 and 5, if any other numbers are there, means we will say that it has non-terminating decimal. Here, if you observe, 5 is there which we required, but besides 2 and 5, some other number 3 is also there. So, don't write it as non-terminating. Before writing non-terminating, you need to cross-check whether any cancellation is possible or not possible. So, here, 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Now, if we write this final step after simplification, 3 divided by 5 into 5. Now, if we observe the denominator, we have only 5's. So, this is having terminating decimal.